Hi my loves, welcome to my channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to edit with CapCut using just your mobile phone. You know, we like doing videos that have to do with just your mobile phone because I'm here to help you grow your channel. So if you're yet to watch the previous video I did on how to film with your mobile phone, I'm going to link the video in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Having said that, let's get straight into the video of today. So for the sake of CapCut, if you don't have CapCut on your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, so you're going to head over to Play Store or App Store to download the CapCut app. So having downloaded the app, now let's get over to editing with CapCut. First thing I would like to do is to import the video I would want to work on, I would want to edit. If you head on to CapCut, you will see a plus sign. That means that you want to add a video to the CapCut app. So click on the plus sign and it's going to take you to your phone gallery so that you'll be able to add the video you want to edit to CapCut. That's like importing the video to CapCut. So if you do that, the next thing I would like to always do is to remove noise from my video, because sometimes you make videos, there might be background noise in the video. So the next thing I would like to do is to click on that video. You would see, just scroll and you will see reduce noise. So click on reduce noise. It's going to reduce noise in the entire video. So after reducing the noise on the video, the next thing I would want to do is to delete jump cuts. Now jump cuts are those unnecessary parts that you might have recorded while you were trying to film, saying some things that are not relevant when you're supposed to say them. These are jump cuts. So you delete some jump cuts. How I do that is I go to my edit again and I click on split for the part I want to edit, for the part I want to delete. Once I click on split, I will head over to the end part of the place where I want to delete. Click on another split. It creates a clip of the video I would want to delete. So I head over to delete that particular jump cut. So I do that for the entire video to remove all the unnecessary parts that occur in the video. Next on my list is animation. Animation makes your video to look very amazing. You have animation in, animation out, flipping, flip out, and so on. So how you do that is also go back to your edits. Basically, that edit on CapCut is where you can get most of the features you want to add in your video. So for animation, go to edit and click on animation. So when you click on animation, it's going to bring out a lot of animations you could use for your video. Animation in, animation out, flipping, flip out. It gives your video this kind of look that shows that you're not just making a video like that. It has some features that could keep your viewers, hooked up to keep watching your video. So that's it. And the next is transition. So basically, transition is like you transiting from one scene to another scene. And how you achieve that is putting a split in your video, like we did when we were trying to delete those jump cuts. So go back to your edit and split a particular clip in the video. When you split, you're going to see kind of a cross sign, or I don't know, is this a cross sign? Yeah. So when you click on split, you're going to see like a casement. So when you click on that casement, it's going to take you to transition. So you select the particular transition you want to effect in the video you are editing. There are a lot of them you can use: fade in, fade out, black fade, and all of that. It makes your video to transit from one particular scene to the other scene. So the next is sound effects. Sound effect is very amazing. It can come in different ways. Like for sound effects, you could use some sound. You watch some TikTok videos and you hear some sound that they use in short videos. They are from CapCut. There are a lot of sound you could use. So go over to the sound and check out for some sounds you can use for your videos. There are a lot of them depending on the kind of content you create. There are a lot of sound effects that you could use for your videos. And also, let's head over to text. So when you go to the edit as well, click on text, you're going to see a lot of features you could use. I mostly use the text blur effect because it kind of brings me outside my background, and when I have a text on my footage, it makes it kind of blur and brings it out in a more pronounced way. I mostly use that for my videos, and it's a very easy thing to achieve. And also for the auto caption, most times you don't have to stress yourself anymore to put in those subtitles for your video. CapCut has done it very, very well for us. It has made it so easy for us to get auto captions for our video, and not just to get auto caption. There are those things that you can also, like, tweak around, edit them to the kind of text, the kind of color you would want to get for your auto caption. So head over to CapCut, head over to the text and click on auto caption. It's going to automatically add captions to those spoken words you have in your video, and this is like an AI stuff. And most times, it's AI, it might not be able to pick out your voice or your speech in the way you've said them. You could have said something else, and at the end of the day, the AI caption is going to bring out something else that is totally different from what you have said. All you have to do is to head over to that part where you want to edit and change whatever text that AI has brought out for you there, and put it to the one that was correctly said by you. So that's how to use the text caption. And also we have the music. Now I'm going to recommend something for you. Mostly people say that using CapCut music, they are copyright free, but I'm not too sure about that. To avoid making mistakes that would make YouTube to give you a strike or a copyright claim, I do not recommend you use music from CapCut. No, I suggest you go to YouTube library. There are lots of YouTube music you can use from the YouTube library. So if you can't afford to use that, or if you can't use that, you can go over to Epidemic Sound if you can afford to pay for their subscription to get a lot of sound from Epidemic Sound. So how you want to add your music to CapCut is simply by heading over to Edit, the beginning of your clip, the beginning of your video, just see where it says add music. So you're going to add music to that place and put it wherever you want to put it. You want to cut it out, you can't cut it out in CapCut actually using your phone. Just have to drag it from where you want the music to stop, or you can click on it and move it to wherever you want the music to stop. So that's how to add music to your CapCut video. This is a very short video and it's very precise, I believe so. If you're planning on starting a YouTube channel and you don't know how to edit your video, CapCut is the best option for you because it is easy. Like, you have a lot of things you can explore, like I've said, from text to animation to music to sound effects to lots of things. So if there is any other thing you might be confused about, I would want you to drop the comments in the comment section. Let me clarify you on any particular part you will not clear about, on how to edit those simple and basic stuff I said here using your CapCut app. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Before I go, please, I would want you to subscribe to this channel so that you can get to see more of those YouTube clips and tips that will help your channel to grow. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Please also like, share, and comment. Bye.